And welcome back to Orage Technologies. Today, we are diving deep into the world of SEO content writing. Crafting engaging content that users love and also getting noticed by search engines is a balancing act. But fear not, we are revealing the secret tools every SEO content writer should master to dominate the search results. Google Search Console and Google Analytics. These free tools from Google are gold mines of information. Search Console. Think of it as a window into how Google sees your website. You can see what search terms people are using to find your site, identify technical SEO issues, and track your ranking for specific keywords. Analytics. This tool dives deep into your website traffic. See which content resonates with your audience, where they are coming from, and how they are interacting with your site. Use this data to fine your content strategy and maximize impact. Keyword research tools. Next, let's talk about keywords. They are the magic words that connect users to your content. Here's where keyword research tools come in. These tools help you discover relevant search terms your target audience uses and analyze their search volume and competition level. We are talking about tools like Ubersuggest, free, a great starting point offering basic keyword research features. Answer the Public, free. This one's visual powerhouse, generating a map of questions users ask around a particular topic. Gold for content ideas. Ahrefs and SEMrush. If you are ready to dive deeper, these premium tools offer comprehensive keyword research data, including competitor analysis and backlink tracking. Content optimization tools. Now, let's talk about crafting content that search engines love. This is where content optimization tools come in. Tools like Yoast SEO, free and paid. This popular WordPress plugin is an SEO Swiss Army knife. It provides an on-page SEO suggestions for title, meta description, and content structure, ensuring your content is optimized for search. So there you have it. These secret tools are your weapons for creating SEO winning content. They will help you write content that's informative, engaging, and optimized for search engines, ultimately leading to increased traffic and website visibility. Orage Technologies offer high performing content that attracts your target audience and boosts your search rankings. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable digital marketing tips and tricks. Until next time, happy writing.